Money Mo Empire, impacting financial journeys 1 mile at a time, one seed at a time, building wealth trees, going places. Let's get it. Welcome to Money Mo Empire. Today's topic is insurance. So we have a treat for you because I have my handy dandy notebook. So there's a lot of things that we have to discuss today because I want to make sure that we get everything out to you. So let's dive in. Today we are dealing with the different types of insurances, okay? Now, other insurances. This includes of homeowners, renters, automobile, and personal liability. Homeowners insurance is a package policy covering the dwelling itself, dwelling extensions like garages, personal property, loss of use, medical payments for others, and liability. The standard policies do not cover flood and earth movement like earthquakes and mudslides. So you gotta get a separate policy for those. Now, certain storms require a separate policy as well. For example, wind and hail damage, you need a separate policy for that. Now, valuable collection and valuable items probably will need a rider for coverage, all right? Now, renter's insurance. This covers the items within the dwelling. So you know you don't own the building, however, your items that you go into the building with, you can cover those, all right? So make sure you get a good agent that can write these properly so that if anything happened, your stuff is covered. You can replace it. So automobile insurance, this is required in every state, okay? It covers financial loss due to the damage to the vehicle that you own, damage to the property of others, bodily injury to the injured, to the family members, and others, okay? So that's automobile insurance. There is also personal liability insurance. Now, if you end up having to need legal defense because something happened and you were judged to be at fault for claims involving incidents at home, driving an automobile, a boat, a commercial vehicle, or other activities like skiing or whatever the case, something happened and you were claimed as the one at fault. You need to have personal liability insurance so that if anything happens, you have the income to provide. Because a lot of times if an incident happened at the home, a lot of times homeowners insurance will not cover the claims that may come against you in judgment in court. Okay, so get your personal liability insurance. All right, now the nugget that I wanted to give you all and other insurance is when someone dies or a loved one dies, or if you die, a lot of times the insurance policy money may not come in time to cover the death and the burial. Guess what's out there for that specifically? There is burial or funeral insurance. So if you have elderly at home, it might be a good time to get some of that for them. And then as you get a little older, if you feel like you have a little bit of time, okay, I get it. Get it sometime in your life so that other people don't have to deal with that. Or if you have some money saved up just for that, that's fine. That can be your self-insurance for your burial and your death, okay? So these are the nuggets I wanted to bring out to you today. I hope it was beneficial. I hope it brought some enlightenment to you in knowing how to assess the risk that you deal with now and to, start to plan for the risk that you will encounter sometime in the near future or far out, okay? Start planning for these and start making it happen. Start putting that plan together and then start to mitigate and manage those risks, okay? Remember, you can't eliminate risk, but we can mitigate it. Bye.